Hey, Pallav with you from Affiliate Tube Success, and in this particular video I'm going to show to you how to write email swipes for solo ads traffic resulting daily passive sales and commissions. In a moment from now I'm going to show it to you step by step how to write email swipes even as a newbie, which helps you to make daily passive affiliate commissions leveraging your existing email subscribers list. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to hand over to you a sneaky little tool which is going to help you to legally copy successful swipes from other marketers. So let's begin. Alright, so let's begin. Now I'm going to show it to you step by step how to write email swipes for solo ads traffic which results daily affiliate passive sales and commissions. Now once we build our email list, which is our most important asset, our next important job is to send them daily broadcasts so that we can make passive sales and commissions from that list. However, as a newbie, many times we get stuck. When I started online, I also used to get stuck. I didn't know how to write my emails, how to communicate with my subscribers, so I delayed a lot. However, I'm going to give you certain steps and certain tools and some examples which is going to help you to write email swipes even as a newbie, and from today onwards you will not have any problem writing email swipes for any affiliate offers whatsoever, especially in make money online niche. So the first point which I want to talk to you is about getting started. Now this is the biggest roadblock of many newbies out there, because they are kind of scared to get started. They think that what if some errors come, what if people are unsubscribed from my email list, what if people don't like my content, kind of stuff like that. So the only solution for that problem for you is to get started. Alright, if you not begin, you will not make it happen. As simple as that. So the first thing, you need to overcome your fear and just get started writing email swipes for your email subscribers list. And the more you start writing on a daily basis and a monthly basis and a yearly basis, you'll become slowly better on that, and then eventually you're going to become a pro. The second point which I'm going to talk to you is emulate the sales page. For example, you are writing email swipe for a particular affiliate offer. Now the best resource you have in your hand is that existing sales page. You can emulate your existing email swipes, comparing that with the actual sales letter itself. You can write your subject line, the body, kind of emulating that content, which is going to convert great for you. I'm going to show you all examples just in a while. The number 3 example is a blank canvas. Now what is a blank canvas? Blank canvas is basically writing email swipes for affiliate marketing niche, which is not specific to a particular offer. However, that blank canvas can help you to reach out to the audience of similar kind of offers. I'm going to show you an example of that also, that how you can write blank canvas emails which can be great for affiliate offers. Number 4 is bonus angle. Like I always tell, that bonuses help you to convert better. I'm showing you one email with bonus angle, how you can write those kind of emails. Next, and very important, is the scarcity angle. People love scarcity. It's all over there. You can see flash sales, you can see weekend sales, offer valid for 24 hours only, Black Friday offer set. That means the offer is only valid for a particular period of time, and then the offer is removed. If you can write emails like that and probably with a timer, then those kind of offers convert great, because people love to grab the opportunity before the door closed on them. That's the human psychology, and that's the way it is in offline as well as for the online world. The next is your unique style, which is very important. Now when I started writing emails, I didn't have my own style. What I did, I was copying other marketers. I was copying email sales pages and writing my own stuff. But over a period of time, after starting to write emails for a period of time, let's say for 1 year or so, Slowly I developed my own style of communicating with my subscribers. Now everybody has a personality, and once you start writing email swipes, you're going to develop that personality trait within yourself, and that's the best email swipe that can work and communicate with your subscribers. And always remember, you are here to provide value to your subscribers, not only sell, sell and sell, and that comes out when you are writing email swipes for your subscribers. The one more thing you can do is you can also write some kind of stories, like kind of moral stories. If you have heard in your childhood, or you're reading in storybooks, you can write those kind of emails also, and they also work great in email swipe because people connect with those things and they're different, so easily they get a bonding going with you. I'm going to show you one example of that also. And the last point which I want to drive to over here is subscribe to other affiliate marketers list. Now you don't have any clue how to get started? Very simple, buy some products and subscribe to other affiliate marketers niches who are promoting similar kind of products like you want to promote. So they are much more advanced marketers, experienced marketers. They know how to write emails, and once you subscribe to their list, what's going to happen, slowly you are going to start copying them and develop your own style. So without further ado, let's quickly start seeing some examples of this kind of stuff. Now this is an example of the email with the sales pages, or this is offer which I wrote. Like it says that, say goodbye to expensive click funnels, Insta pages, Wix, and Weebly, which are the page builders or funnel builders. Now this is the email swipe where I mentioned how the funnels are expensive and how you can save your money with this funnel builder, which is a one-time cost for you. And if you look at this sales page headline, it says that done for you high converting sales page funnels, landing pages and kind of stuff. So what I did basically is I kind of copied this style, their style, and I put the entire process you are paying way more money for your present funnel builders, so why don't you pay the one-time cost, which is exactly what the email subject lines over here said. Like that, you can start copying other sales pages which are exactly available for promoting the offer. The second thing which I want to talk to you is a blank canvas, which is kind of a generic promotion mail. Like this email works great for me every time, which says that, are you still struggling to make money from home? Really generic email can work for any online marketing stuff, and then the subject also is pretty much generic, so you can promote any kind of offer with this kind of email swipes. The next one is the bonus angle. Like this, if you write a page like this, like, oops, I'm feeling kind of sorry for you, or that proven done for you system almost gone with a massive bonus card. So I'm using the word massive bonus card in the subject line itself, so the person will see that I'm going to get a massive bonus just for buying from me. So then in the copy, if you click in the link over here, you're going to see that I have my bonus page built over here. So instead of sending them to the sales page, in this case I'm sending them to my bonus pages, and I'm showing them how many big massive bonuses I'm offering. So this works great again because it goes to the bonus card angle. The next one is a scarcity angle. Pretty simple stuff, like something like, oops, I'm feeling kind of sorry for you, or it's too late, when I'm telling that you are about to miss the opportunity to grab the offer. You can put a timer if you wish to this kind of emails, and then I say that check if this is still available or gone for good, and then I say, in case you're super busy and missed my previous emails, here it is for you once again. So I kind of give it to them and take it back. I tell them that sorry, it seems like over. So once you put those kind of scarcity, they open the email in a hurry and they see that it might be there, so they're going to click over there. They click to check if this is available or gone for good, and they click there and they see it's still there. So they'll say, oh my god, a sigh of relief, and they're going to buy from there. That's the psychology we're putting in this email. Now I'm going to show you one story email. So let me find one story which I written some time back. So it said that, have you seen the white rabbit? So basically it talks about a focus in your life. It's basically about a white rabbit story. There were rabbits, there were a group of dogs who were running behind running for something, and out of all the pack of dogs or group of dogs, all of them stopped, but one dog kept on running. So when somebody asked him that, all of them have stopped running, why you are stopped running, why you are running, the dog answered that I have seen my white rabbit. So that's the moral of the story I want to focus. So that's the email which I wrote over here. You can write any kind of fables or stories over here, and then you can connect it with the offer. Stories work great. You can write your personal stories, how you came online, what was your story before, how many times you failed in online business. You might have got sacked from your job, or you want to beat your boss's salary, whatever is the story. Mention that because people connect with them in emails. Also, if you are not very familiar with that, you can write tables and stories and connect it with the offer. It always works great. Like in this case, I always say that, why don't you check this particular offer where you can see your rabbit, so the entire thing shifts. Now, having said that, I want to also introduce you to one sneaky little tool, which is a site called swipes.co, wherein you can see there are different swipes from successful marketers out there, and you can legally see these swipes and you can use them in your business. Pretty nice one. These swipes are written by legendary marketers out there. So you can obviously, this one is from the legendary Frank Kern, so you can always see what kind of stuff these guys are doing, and you can feel free to copy them. So I'll be just putting this link somewhere in between the video or in the description section, so you can use this also. So I hope you love the content about writing email swipes for solo ad traffic, resulting daily affiliate sales and commissions. And if you're a newbie, I'm sure you have got a lot of light bulbs going off from this video. So if you love the content, do give it a like to encourage my morale and boost my morale. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a video, you get an instant notification from the bell icon. Having said that, I also have a special bonus for you. I have my 10K per month groundbreaking affiliate marketing system in offer for you for some more time as a bonus. You can get that in the description or in the comment section. And now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to build a successful affiliate marketing business starting from scratch with one sneaky little tool. Stay tuned for that in the next video.